Hi, and welcome to Wedding Good After Hours. And on today's episode, I'm sitting with Shrishti and Simran, who are back in the hot seat to discuss controversial opinions on weddings. Welcome back, guys.
Thank you.
So, we are going to talk about controversial opinions on weddings, things that people are doing, things we see on Instagram. Let's start off with this reel that I saw, which is it's a white wedding, but there's this whole trend now in white weddings about brides who are talking about not having any kids at their wedding.
Yeah.
Okay, like child-free
Yeah,
weddings
yeah.
because kids are running around and they
Yeah.
create a ruckus, they spoil the decor.
Hmm.
Thoughts on child-free weddings?
I think that's more applicable to Western weddings. Indian weddings, somebody's chacha, mama, mami, chachi, everybody is going to get offended. Like my parents are going to get offended
Yeah.
if I was not invited to one of the family weddings. If it's not family wedding, if it's a friend's wedding or anything, then maybe that is something that can be considered. But family weddings, no. I mean, like the entire idea of weddings in India is like इस सब पूरे मतलब दादाजी से लेकर
Family,
like
full
literally
family
dog
पूरा.
तक आएगा, right? So
Hmm.
no, I
feel-
don't
Do
think
you
so.
have a different opinion because you
Yeah.
get triggered by things that
Yeah, I feel personally that kids should be banned from the weddings. I'll tell you why. I have a reason. You're wearing a six feet ka flare wala sabyasachi ka lehenga that you've paid a lot for, okay? And then you're performing in it, and then there's a little child inside your lehenga. Do you want that? You don't want that. I mean, even if parents get triggered, it's fine. आप इतने चाचा मामा ताया जो है किसी को बच्चा पकड़ा दो ना. What's the problem?
हाँ मतलब they're still coming to the wedding, right? They're not just going
No,
inside
no,
your
no, no, no.
lehenga,
घर में
that's all.
घर में पकड़ा के आओ.
अच्छा घर पे so then your taya,
So
mama,
then-
chacha is staying at home.
what if like you have like really good friends who have like kids and they can't attend your wedding because they don't have
They can see the pictures.
Oh my god, you are evil. You are evil. No, no.
I mean, I personally feel wedding is very big on aesthetic for me, and बच्चे aesthetic खराब कर रहे हैं. So yeah. That's my personal opinion.
You know that your nephews and nieces are gonna hate you. You'll be like the most hated buaji or taiji. You'll grow up and people will
Yeah.
be like, you know this woman.
Or best, why don't you have like a separate section for kids, like play area sort of a thing? Tum itne lakh you are spending on the decor.
I am not spending money for kids, like random kids कि वो आके खेले तो उनके लिए ball pit बनवाऊँ मैं. I'm not gonna do that. No.
At the end of the day, there will be kids at your wedding, is what we've concluded.
Simran weds XYZ. Bring kids at your own risk.
Yeah. If something happens, not my responsibility.
You know, back home, what has started happening is on the wedding invites, na people they make present ka icon, present box ka, and then they cross it out, and then which is indicative of cash only.
So then you want me to make a child and,
And
put a
cross
cross
it.
on it? Yes,
Yes, please. Yes,
Give me the
please.
money, take your kids. Would you do that on your wedding? No gift policy?
Yeah, I would love money.
I love it.
I meant like, you know, nowadays people are also saying like no money, no gifts, no money, only blessings.
So money and
I'm
blessing.
sorry, I have lots of blessing. I'm blessed.
Yeah, need money and blessings.
the money.
Even if you don't give me blessings, give money.
Because this wedding costs a lot.
Give money. Per plate पता है कितना होता है? आपकी blessing से थोड़ी जाएगा पैसा.
Yeah, but I think like inherently child-free weddings are very hard to pull off
Yeah,
in
yeah.
India. And also like it's your family. Like ignore what she's saying basically. Okay, so we've spoken about the child-free weddings, a little bit about gift-free weddings. What about this whole fake Sangeet trend?
I love it.
Love it.
Love.
Are you serious?
Why vibes? All about vibes. कुछ नहीं है.
Somebody pays me also. I won't go to a fake Sangeet.
But
I'll just go drink, dance, come back.
Yeah.
मैं खुद से भी पैसे दे दूंगी ना 1500 per
But
per
why are
person.
you getting ready in Indian wear, going and dancing and coming back?
See, that's
Because
Beauty of it that you have no pressure to get ready or do anything, right? You don't know the person. You can just go get drunk and just dance and come back.
हाँ think of it as fancy
Yeah.
dress, fancy dress thingy. Na,
Go
it's
to a
just like
club. Why do you have to go?
No,
club lehenga mein nahi
Yeah,
जा
you
सकते.
want to wear a
But-
lehenga.
yeah.
Like there are a lot of times that I want someone to get married. I want to like get dressed, but no one is getting married. So go to a fake wedding. It's fine. It's very fun. I have attended. Can I say the name of the place? Yeah, I have attended one in Diablo. So it was very it was very fun. Like girls.
Came in the lehenga.
Yeah, girls came in shararas and then they were discussing random girls. ये मेरा Manish Malhotra का stuff है. And yeah, they were wearing it and it was fun. I mean, I attended it. I liked it. It was fun.
Love that.
So what happened in the fake wedding that I attended? There was this like random dhol walas that they came to the venue and they just started doing the dhol thing and everyone was dancing. And
Who
it
sat
was,
on the dhol?
there was some random girl and she was very happy. So it was a
that
pretty chill vibe and everyone was enjoying and everyone was drunk. Nobody knows anyone and they are just doing the shots.
So there are no performances. It's just like a dance party in Indian wear.
Oh, then no. I want dance performances. Yeah, like I want to go on stage and do like 2-3 sequences, 10 minute ke liye and come back.
Yeah, I mean you can do. I mean that's what I'm saying. Now it's a free place. Do whatever you want. So it's fun.
So
Also-
wait, help me understand. So fake weddings are basically just like going to a club, but you're going like in Indian wear.
Yeah.
You're going to a sangeet without performances, without bridegroom, without anything. But also tell me, is this something that is happening only in Delhi or other places?
So it's happening big time in like across India, I feel.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Because I feel like this is a very Delhi coded
No,
thingy.
it's happening everywhere, and like a lot of brands and a lot of sponsors are now like we
A
want
lot
to
of
sponsor
DJs.
fake.
Big
But so
DJs.
much fun.
Yeah, it is fun.
It's fun, yeah.
Let's attend one fake wedding.
And
And then the beauty of it is there is no auntie looking at you.
so speaking of aunties, we come to our next segment, which is aunties at weddings.
Fave.
Right? Yeah, aunties at weddings. What are some of the unhinged things you've heard from them?
Everything. There's just so much.
Term aunties and all are not really boomers anymore. If we're going to that, yeah, they're Gen Xers, older millennials, and all, right? And they've grown up with the trauma of aunties at weddings, so I think it's a little less. But any Indian wedding, if an auntie doesn't say something which is horrendous or like unhinged, then it's not an Indian wedding.
That's true.
Family or close friends has gone by without at least 1 or 2 people coming and saying, next tumhara turn hai. And I'm like,
So I come from a Punjabi family. So yeah. So firstly, I'm also an auntie at the wedding, and then there are a lot of aunties. Like so, there's this one auntie who I remember who just said that. So like brides are wearing pastels, right? It is very pretty. It's very each to its own. There was this one auntie who was just saying that she was wearing white and she was like, "I ek hi pehen leta hai." So stuff like that. I mean, you can't judge someone basis what they're wearing. It's like their big day. You can't judge them. Okay, so there was this one auntie at this wedding that I attended, and she legit brought this Tinder, like the app, and she was like, "Aapko kaun sa wala acha lag raha hai, beta?" I am not even kidding.
What do you mean? What app was it?
It was Tinder. So she
very
brought
cool
it.
auntie,
Yeah. So she brought it and she was like, which one do you like? And I'm not even kidding. So she is in my family if you're watching it. Okay. So yeah, I mean, this literally happens. Like they are like that you are so useless. You cannot find a person. So they are like downloading apps on our behalf and they're just like left, right, left.
Well, that kind of auntie I can get behind.
Yeah.
but
That's
also, how is she like filling in your details or anything? She's making up koi bhi and then
I think auntie's living vicariously through them.
Yeah,
She's
yeah,
like,
yeah.
I want to connect with these boys.
He's cute.
I mean that's a cool auntie. That's not like an unhinged auntie. That's like an amazing auntie. Thank you for the research.
I feel aunties in general are sweet at weddings. I mean, they are helpful also.
Indian weddings are not fun without the aunties.
Yeah.
na?
Yeah.
Like, you need to have a debrief after the wedding. ki
Ha,
who said
ha,
what.
ha.
Yeah.
Who's going to be so judgy? Yeah? Like,
And they
aunties.
tell you a lot about the ceremonies that are happening. Like half of the stuff you don't even know, and they are going to tell you कि इसका ये meaning होता है. Which is
Half meanings are wrong, by the way,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
theek hai. There's a lot of people feeling offended for
Yeah.
silly things like I was not catered to properly
Huh.
versus I'm just like, bhai, the family has 10,000 things to
Yeah.
do.
Exactly.
Like you should not be making the wedding about you. You are just a guest.
So you have this family table, right? Like a family table,
Yeah,
and
at the
family
end.
table is very very immediate family, right? अगर हम family table every relative के लिए रखे, like table will be endless.
No, but I think the only Sajjan Goat table I would have wanted to sit on willingly was like the Ambani one because then you have Shah Rukh Khan serving you. Like, yeah, Shah Rukh, can you please refill my dal makhani?
I would love to be at Anushka and Virat's wedding.
If you renew your vows, please note she will be.
Thank you.
She's volunteering her services
I'm
as a
happy.
wedding guest.
Oh, by the way, vows renewal. What do you think about vows renewal?
People want to celebrate, so it's nice. But when do you do
Make
it?
Not enthusiastic.
I'm like, matlab,
Will you do a vow renewal?
people are
Let
doing
me take my vows first.
no, but people are doing vow renewals after 5 years.
2 years, Brooklyn Beckham and this one, Nicola Peltz.
तुम random party throw कर लो, तुम्हें क्यों vows करने हैं?
Correct.
तो अभी तो दिए थे.
Cute on like a silver jubilee types, okay, you know, 25 years.
I mean, I guess to each their own, but
Hmm.
like, yeah, I think like it's within 5-6 years, so it's too quick. Like, just throw an engagement like a reception
Yeah.
party, anniversary party. Like, why do you need a vow renewal?
Yeah, nahi, 5-6 is very young. Like you at least have your children, like they are a little grown and they are getting those garlands and all. So that is cute.
Okay, so now the next thing that is a topic of discussion on Instagram is that it's inappropriate to wear your wedding lehenga at another person's wedding. Like
Oh.
at your brother's wedding, don't wear your wedding lehenga. At your cousin's wedding, don't wear your wedding lehenga.
Like, is sustainability so 2024 or what
I
now?
don't know. People are just like, you will upstage the bride and blah blah blah. What do you think?
No.
I feel like, you know, as long as you're not like, you can style it in different ways, right? You can pair your blouse with something else. You can wear your lehenga. I mean, you have bought your lehenga and you have, I am assuming you have invested a bunch of money on it, right? Then you want to wear it like again and again. And then, as Srishti said, like, you know, sustainability. Like if Alia Bhatt can wear her sari to national awards, then please, brides, don't be so upstage kar denge types.
If your sister-in-law, like your brother, gets married and his wife wants to wear her wedding lehenga to your wedding, it'll be cool.
Yeah, because it's, I mean, you need to be that much confident in yourself, na, कि हाँ मैं सुंदर हूँ सबसे ज़्यादा. So yeah, it's okay.
Okay, also, let's be honest, in a lot of Indian weddings, a lot of people are dressed up as brides. Yeah, like for my friend's wedding, there were a lot of people who had come from like international friends of theirs who had come, right? And they're like, "Hey, okay, who's the bride actually?" Because everybody is dressed. See, in Western culture, right? If you're going for a wedding, you don't wear white.
Yeah.
So that's the thing. Here, you wear red, it's no problem. And especially in Nepali culture, you have to wear red to a wedding.
And for me, like I feel like it's a lot got to do with your dynamics with the bride.
Yeah.
Like in my family, like I said also that it's a mark of respect कि मैं अपना शादी का
हाँ.
lehenga at your wedding.
Yeah.
Like, it's such a
actually.
big deal,
Like,
you
it's
know.
such a
You're
big
so
thing.
close to me.
Huh.
So it depends family to family, and I sometimes find that Western weddings really overthink things in terms of
They really
Yeah,
do.
now they have started to make it a big deal.
like, why is it a big deal? Like, nobody is wearing something to the wedding to upstage the bride. But yeah, like, it's stupidity. I feel like people are just like excited and they want
Ah.
to wear things as long as I think you have that relationship with the bride and that understanding that she's cool with it.
Yeah. And I honestly, I don't think so. Anybody is like, doing the entire lehenga like exactly on their wedding day, kalira or something.
Yeah.
Nahi ho raha hai. Like they're doing a little more subtle version of their wedding, which is fine.
And also, what about like those mothers of the grooms, like who like dress like the bride themselves? I mean, I have seen cases where, like, you know, so they take the girl along for the lehenga shopping, right? And then the mother of the groom is literally buying the same lehenga in a different color.
So that's a bit much. Same lehenga in a different color is a bit
Yeah,
much.
and then she is looking like the queen.
Yeah, like there's no
Huh.
competition. It's just that you want to look
Yeah,
good for
you
your age,
look
but you
good.
can't buy the same lehenga in a different color.
Exactly.
Yeah,
that
I
is-
have
that
seen
is-
those cases.
yeah.
That
Anyway, I think people are there to see the bride. They're not there to see
Yeah,
you.
yeah,
So it
yeah.
doesn't matter. They will still watch the bride only.
when your entry is happening on Din Shagnada with all those pyros and, like, you know, with all those flowers, so they know that ye bride. So it's fine. No, you can upstage the lehenga, but you cannot upstage the glow.
Okay, guys, this was fun.
Yes.
If you guys have any questions, requests for what we should discuss next time, or some burning controversial topics related to Indian weddings, love, relationships, go ahead and drop it in the comment box below. And I will see you guys soon.
See you.